Outstanding design defines the 2011 Nissan Xterra. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, skid plates, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, rear wipers, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.